Guess who's back? Back again. The little birds are back. Tell a friend.
They ain't gonna like it if you take the boat out.
They gotta start singing again. The furthest one's making noise. Says more light required. These two birds here always fight with this blackbird, and we squirt the blackbird with the hose, don't we?
The blackbird tries to attack them.
And I just played an owl sound at the black one, and that made him leave too, because I got a little owl down here. These guys ain't doing much. You're pretty boring, dudes.
They like to just sit there and sing. They don't do much. They don't have arms.
Wish I could zoom more, but that's it. Ooh, I can zoom more. There he is. Look at that, and I'm zoomed in. 13x. Huh. That's messing up my video, for sure.
Can you get the other one?
Oh, there, it went back where it's supposed to. That was pretty funny. Gets close up to the other one.
Try, yeah.
There he is. There's 15x, it looks like. It's kind of grainy. It says more light required.
Look at his little forked tail.
Yeah. Here, I'm going to zoom back out. Hard to hold still enough. I wonder which one's which, because they're a pair for sure. There's the singing one. He's camera shy. Okay. See you guys later.